Hello all, how many of you have seen one of the ad that is coming in the Star channel? So if you have seen that ad, basically it's a very simple ad where is a mother, father, and the daughter involved. So asks her a question regarding a capital of a city or something, and she just couldn't remember. So father comes back and says, "You have been good in studies over the years, and now I'm not sure what is happening to you." So suddenly, um, the ad shows her that little their daughter turning into a older woman. So basically the main um, motto of this ad is to show that the pollution around that is being created by us, by humans especially, is turning our kids into elders. So that it's basically like there are many abnormalities that are coming up in the growth of the kids, and there is a loss of mental thought. There are a lot of things that are happening, especially to the kids, because they are more prone, and their growth has been affected in a lot of it because of this pollution. So the ad means to say, follow a no vehicle day for one day. So at the end of that ad, father drops his vehicle's key, and then gives us a sign that we all have to follow the same. So considering that we most of us have kids and they are just growing, some of us have kids which are at school, some are at kindergarten, so some are just born. So there are kids for us who have a very good future, and now considering that this pollution is causing such scenarios, is like should be heartbreaking for us. So it is time for us to think over, guys. If you are doing anything, whatever the work you are doing, or any thing which you are doing for a time pass, just try to think over, see that it doesn't affect the environment. This is being told by many people around now. The propaganda that is being happening, and the ad that I'm talking about should be an eye opener for all of us, and especially we are educated to some extent, right? We learned something in our lives. It is high time that we spread this and reduce using vehicles. Example, if you are going to a nearby shop, just try to use your vehicle, try to walk on your own. It helps as an exercise to us. The body gets refreshed, and then uh, again, most of the guys are working from home, and this will be a refreshing factor for them. So stop using vehicles unnecessarily, and especially I see that these guys who are passing the school level till they get married and have kids, this is the age who are more irresponsible. So these guys have to be more responsible towards society. The elders, the guys who are in the prime age, who has matured post 30 40 years, are able to think over and act as per the scenarios, act as per the environmental requirements. But it is high time that we have to think over. So guys, only one thing which we can do is just try to plant a tree near your house, you can think of it growing in the next 10 to 15 years and giving your kids a fresh air where they can breathe in. You cannot imagine your kid feeling breathlessness post 10-15 years because of the kind of pollution. There are, it is not just with the transportation, it is the industries, all these kind of things that are happening are creating lot of trouble around us. So it's high time we act, and also government should keep a tab on these things. And especially in Hyderabad, India, I have some time back there was like car free Thursday or Friday something, where there were number of buses arranged by the transport department, basically the RTC, Road Transport Corporation, and encouraging people to leave their cars behind and use public transport. So there will be less traffic, less pollution, more fresh air. But I think that has failed. But still, it is high time that government should come up with such kind of thought process, because whatever we are earning today, yes, we are enjoying that benefits, but those are also for we are also saving for our kids, right? So we earn for the future of our kids. But if we ourselves destroy the environment, destroy the Mother Earth, then the next generations would feel suffocated, and it is hard from them for them to live on this earth. Please think over, guys. Please pass on the message. It is a very heart-touching message that is being given by this star people, and we cannot stop appreciating them. Please think over, guys. Small distances, stop using vehicles, and especially we are getting Pongal in the next 1 month, where there will be lot of charcoal that is being burnt. Basically the trees, the old material will be burnt, which releases lot of carbon into the air, which is more dangerous. So stop avoiding, stop burning such things, and for New Year, take a oath that you don't burn crackers, don't disturb the atmosphere, don't ride over bikes unnecessarily, there is no need. And during these pandemic times, COVID times especially, we can celebrate peacefully at home with our family. Please follow. If one person can follow after watching this, I think this video makes sense. Thank you, guys. Please pass on this video if possible to others. Let them follow, and let them help the next generations to live peacefully and safely, and without any problems on this Mother Earth. Thank you, guys. Thank you.